Hi, everybody. This is a public service announcement. The chemical in discussion is styrene. And due to the fact sheet, we're going to go over what styrene is and what it does and how we kind of react to it. So, what is styrene? Styrene is a chemical that is used to make latex, synthetic rubber, and polystyrene resins. These resins are used to make plastic packaging, disposable cups and containers, insulation, and other products. Styrene is also produced naturally in some plants. How it affects our health. Any contact with it can cause an irritation. Acute exposure to styrene by inhalation can give rise to irritation of the mucous membranes of the nose and throat, increased nasal secretion, wheezing, and coughing. A more severe exposure to styrene can lead to the onset of CNS depression, the effects of which are commonly termed styrene sickness, which includes headache, nausea, vomiting, weakness, fatigue, dizziness, and ataxia. Now, how do we get exposed to styrene? The major source of exposure to styrene is from occupational exposure, since it is used in the manufacture of plastics. We can be exposed by breathing it in from the air, ingesting it from our food that absorbs it from the plastic containers that we use. It can be found indoors from photocopiers and laser printers, and we can even be exposed from cigarette smoke, exhaust emissions from motor vehicles, and during combustion or heating of styrene containing polymers and some organic materials. The description of styrene: it's a clear, colorless to yellow, oily liquid with a sweet odor at low concentrations. It boils at 293 degrees Fahrenheit and freezes at negative 23.1 degrees Fahrenheit. It is very flammable and dangerous. It can polymerize, resulting in uncontrollable explosive reactions. The atomic structure of this chemical is C8H8 and is a member of a group of chemical compounds categorized as vinyls, organic compounds whose molecules contain a double bond between two carbon atoms. The combustion reaction occurs when a hydrocarbon or organic compound is burned in the presence of oxygen to produce the carbon dioxide and water. The chemical equation for the reaction that occurs when the hydrocarbon styrene, the C8H8, is combusted in air. You can see that on your fact sheet. The environmental effects: it's moderately toxic to aquatic animals, and it enters into our oceans through plastic pollution. Its presence in the air is due to emissions from industrial processing involving styrene and its polymers and copolymers. And then precautions to take to reduce the exposure. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, Food and Drug Administration, and many other organizations around the world have put many directives in order to help keep people safe when working around styrene. For more information, there is a website also attached to your fact sheet. If you guys have any other questions, you can go ahead and contact me. Thank you so much.